What's the meaning of channel hop? Channel hop. Channel hop.
Channel hop. Channel hop. Channel hop refers to the practice of switching between different channels or frequencies during wireless communication. This technique is often used to avoid interference or to improve signal strength. By hopping from one channel to another, a device can find the clearest possible channel and transmit or receive data with greater efficiency and reliability. This process is often automated by devices such as routers or access points. Overall, channel hopping helps to optimize wireless communication and improve network performance.